Here's how to set up inventory in QuickBooks Online. 1. Turn on inventory tracking. Go to Settings, top right, Account and Settings. Click the Sales tab. Scroll down to Products and Services and click Edit. Check the box for Track Quantity and Price or Rate and track inventory quantity on hand. Click Save and then Done. 2. Add your inventory items. Go to Plus New, Product or Service. Select Inventory as the type. Fill in the details, name and description, SKU, optional, initial quantity on hand, as of date, reorder point, optional but recommended, cost price and selling price. Choose or create an income account and inventory asset account. Click Save and Close. 3. Optionally, create product categories. Go to Products and Services, New Category, to organize your items. For example, electronics, clothing. Tips for beginners. Always use inventory type, not service or non-inventory for physical stock. Start with a few products to avoid mistakes. Regularly update stock levels after sales and purchases. Enable low stock alerts for better inventory management.